3 ways to get your emotions under control. Do you rule your emotions, or do your emotions rule you? Many of us feel instinctively that our emotions come from the way we feel. You've had a hard day, and so now you are thinking bad thoughts. Those bad thoughts are then making you feel unhappy. But have you ever thought that the opposite might be true? That you might be having bad thoughts because you are in a bad mood? That maybe this is what made your day bad? Either way, being able to control your emotions is crucial if you want to be as effective as you can be, maintain the respect of others, and generally perform your very best. In this presentation, we'll look at 3 ways you can get your emotions under your control. For instance, if you are in a bad mood, then it could be because you're low on blood sugar. Our bodies use high blood sugar as a signal to create feel-good hormones. When it drops, we produce cortisol, which makes us anxious and hangry. You might be tired too, or perhaps your emotions could be getting in the way. Either way, you need to consider the role of your physiology as well as the role of your mind. 2. Control your thoughts. That said, controlling your thoughts is also important. Techniques used in CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, teach us to challenge negative thoughts and to even test our unhelpful beliefs. This means first identifying the things we think and the things that are causing our bad state of mind, and then asking whether those thoughts are true or useful. 3. Meditate. There are countless good reasons to meditate. One of the most important, though, is that meditation can improve your emotional control, your focus, and your discipline. This is literally a process that involves focusing your mind and avoiding distracting thoughts. And if you can do that, then you can avoid distracting emotions as well. In the short term, a bout of meditation is a great way to calm your racing mind. In the long term, it is a powerful tool for enhancing your emotional stability.